What's up, everybody? This your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is the best money channel on YouTube. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell, so whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on, and hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle. King Hussle X1M. No rags, just riches, the Hussle family, King Hussle crazy reactions, turn motivation into millions, and dog pound exotic pups. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom of the description, all my social media links will pop up. I got a lot of fake King Hussle pages out there, so please get a FaceTime verification call or video to make sure you see this face. Make sure you're doing legit business and you are getting what you pay for, all right? Before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only, not telling anybody to do anything. So let's get this thing started. So what to do, my real King Hussle fans, supporters, and subscribers? And in today's video, I'm back at it again with the gems. I'm back at it with the sauce to turn you into a boss. I'm back at it with the information that's gonna help you change your life around. Cause I know there's a lot of people out there tired of being broke, cause it ain't no joke. If you tired of, you ready to get your dinner plate, let's make it happen. All right. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to turn $500 to $1,000 into $20 to $30 to $50,000. All right. You can turn little money into big money fast and easy. You just gotta know what you're doing. And in today's video, I'm gonna give you a couple of different ways how you can make that happen. All right, so without further ado, sit back, get your drinks, get your whatever you gotta get, and let's get to it. All right, so a lot of people out there be asking me, hey, King Hussle, how can you turn $1,000 into 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, $100,000, $1 million? You can turn any amount of money that you want into, any amount that you want to. And what I mean by that is you can turn $1 to $1 million, you can turn $10 to $1 million, you can turn no money to $1 million, you can turn $1,000 to 20,000. You can turn anything into anything that you want to turn it into. It's just about what you know what to do, what you know how to do, and what type of drive, what type of hustle, what type of ambition, what type of will and want do you have to make it happen. Now, it's a lot of people out there. There's a lot of people out there that's looking to make some money. There's a lot of people out there that's looking to get some type of method, to get some type of play that's going to get them a lump sum of money very fast. And a lot of people don't understand that when it comes to methods and getting these plays that's gonna get you lump sums of money, 10, 20, 30, 40, $50,000. One thing is that you gotta know is that maybe one, that play is not gonna last. So it might be here today, but tomorrow it might be gone. Two is that once you do that play and that money is all gone, now you're back into square one. Now you're going to be back on the scavenge to try to find another play to get another 10, 20. And it might take a year, it might take 2 years. You never know how long that'll take. So I encourage people that, I always tell people that, don't be so thirsty and so fast to do what you see other people doing without doing your research or getting information on what they're doing. Because if you jump in the deep end and don't know how to swim, no one's going to help you swim and you're going to drown. And that's with anything that you do in life. So if you see somebody on the internet saying they're doing this method and getting them 10, 20, $30,000, don't be so fast to try to do that without getting some type of knowledge or some type of lesson on how to do it the proper way. Somebody's teaching you, say, oh, I made $50,000 off credit. Don't be so fast to run into the bank and say, hey, I want a $50,000 no doc loan or bank loan without getting some research or watching a video or making sure you got the right things in order to actually get the loan. A lot of people don't do that. A lot of people are really blind to the fact of how life works. A lot of people don't understand the logistics and the magnitude of following directions. A lot of people don't understand the logistics and the magnitude of actually being a professional and businessman or woman. A lot of people don't even know how to talk in a proper manly way. A lot of people don't know how to talk to people that in order for them to even respect you in the educational way. So with that being said, you want to turn $1,000 to 20, 30 to a 50,000, 100,000, whatever you want to do. The first thing you got to do is you got to understand, you got to have the ambition, you got to have the hustle, you got to have the motivation, the dedication, the hustle and drive. The second thing that you got to do is understand that the world works off the 3 P's: product, perception, and promotion. As long as you got a product that you can promote and sell the perception that this is what the consumer wants and needs, they're going to buy it. So sometimes you just got to wake up and smell the juice. Sometimes you guys got to use common sense and say, okay, Who are the most wealthiest people in the world? Who are the people that's making money? What are they doing and what are they offering? And at the end of the day, if you don't have anything to offer, or if you don't have any type of knowledge that's going to help somebody or get them ahead, you're not going to be wanted and needed. So you got to actually think and look at everything in the world. Everything that we use, everything that we buy is a product. The world works off products. We got to get these iPhones. We got to get these computers. We got to get these beds. We got to get these TVs. We got to go buy groceries. Everything that we buy is a product. There's so many different products out here that people want and need. So with that being said, what is a product that you know about? What is some type of information that you know about, that you know that a consumer wants and needs, that you know that people wants to learn about? And at the end of the day, if you don't know anything, what are some type of products that you're interested in? What is some type of knowledge that you're interested in that you see other people doing that's making them some money? Now, there are many hustles out here that you can do that you don't need too much money on, that can change your life. A lot of different hustles. One hustle that you could do that you can invest $1,000 in and make $10,000, $20,000, $30,000. Landscaping. All you need is a mower, blower, and a trimmer, and you can make thousands of dollars monthly. Easily, because there's so many, depending on your area, there's so many homes that have big front yards and backyards, that if you can lock down the whole block or lock down the whole neighborhood, you will have no problem becoming a multi-thousandaire fast, 6 figures fast. And all you spent was less than $1,000. You can go buy you. It's clothing lines out here that you can start your own clothing line with $1,000, get you 50 shirts, sell those shirts for $200, and make you $10,000 profit. How can you beat that? There's so many different hustles out here that you can, cutting hair, being a barber, being a beautician, taking pictures, being a videographer. There's so many different products and things out here that you could just pick up a tool and start doing it. So many different things that you can learn about and start offering that type of service. There's so many different products out here that you can get your hands on that you can sell to the consumer. There's so many different things that you can do out here that you could turn $500 to $1,000 into $50,000 to $100,000. You can easily go rent you out a box truck, get on the road, get your dot, get your dot and all that, and start making money truck driving, being a self-employed truck driver, sole proprietor. There's so many different things, but the way to get rich, the way to become successful, the way to start paying yourself is by having something to offer. What do you have to offer? Do you have a product? Do you have some type of service or knowledge that can make me some money or can educate me enough to make some money? Or to be at my leisure? If you're on social media all day, every day, the main thing that you see people doing is selling something. Everybody is selling something. Clothes, music, electronics, music, videos, pictures, jewelry. Everybody is selling something. It's all about the perception. How good can you make your product or your services look that's going to attract the consumer to make them want to do business with you? That's how this game works. That's how the world works. Because like I said, once again, everything is a product, which means any and everything was sold and brought. Everything that we have possession of was on sale and we brought it. So many different things that so many people can get their hands on. They can create their own consumer base for it and sell it. You can go buy you some hair, start selling wigs. You can buy so many different things that all you gotta do is find a vendor for it or a supplier for it at a nice price and sell it with your percentage on it. You get something for $200 and it's worth $400, $500. You could make a $200, $300 profit off of it. Every product you will make that profit off of it. You got 100 products, that's $30,000 right there that you just made. And you probably spent $5 to $10, if $10,000 on all that product. Do you see where I'm coming from? It's a lot of different products out here that a lot of people are selling. It's a lot of different things that a lot of people are selling. It's a lot of people want legal things, and a lot of people out there want illegal things, and that's where the dark web and all this other stuff come into part. But everything is a consumer. Everything has a consumer. Everything is a product. Everybody wants to buy something. So what are you going to sell? What are you going to offer? People want to buy trade lines. People want to buy CPNs. People want to buy all different type of stuff. So it's like, okay, what am I going to sell? What am I going to get my hands on? What information am I going to get my hands on so I can sell it and make me some money too? And then when people start using their mind and start thinking, then that's when certain things come into parts. People start doing certain things to get money that's not technically ethical. Because they've learned and stuff and it started making sense to them. And they say, you know what, why do this when I can do that to make it easier? If this person wants that and they're not supposed to have it and I sell it, who they gonna tell if they don't get it? And that's what a lot of people are doing out here on social media. Now, I'm not gonna say too much about it, but that's what people are doing out here on social media. A lot of people are selling stuff. It's not hard to invest into something. It's not hard to say, oh, you a barber? Okay, I'm gonna go buy you some clippers and put you in a suite and I'm gonna make a percentage off you. Or, oh, you need a job, I'm gonna start this cleaning business and I'm gonna put you in a position to start cleaning these buildings and these commercial businesses and these houses, and now you're my employee, now you making money, and just because I'm gonna look out for it. It's not hard to put people in a position to make money for you and them. You just gotta be willing to do it, willing to take the time, willing to actually be able to put effort and invest into that type of business that you want to invest in. And I promise you, you will make a lot of money. You can become a millionaire selling soap. You can become a millionaire washing cars. You can become a millionaire cleaning carpet. You can become a millionaire washing dishes. You can become a millionaire doing any and everything. It's just about how you do it, how you invest in it, how you promote it. So for all my people out there that's asking me, how would you turn $1,000 to $10,000 or $20 or $50 or $100,000? I would sit back, interpret what's going on social media, YouTube, Facebook, all these different social media platforms. I will sit back and interpret and see what are the things and products that's being sold, what information is being provided, what type of prices are these people offering for these services. Then I narrow it down, say, okay, I know about this, I know about that, I know how to get this, and I know how to get that. Okay, this will make that amount, this will make that amount, this makes a decent amount, that'll make this amount. And then I start investing in it. Like I said, it's not hard to get money. That's why they got jobs out here. You gotta start somewhere to get somewhere. You gotta start from the bottom to get to the top. Working at McDonald's ain't bad. Stack them checks and then go invest into your clothing line, into your barber, into your wigs or whatever, to that product, so you ain't got to work that job no more. Invest into that product, bring that product to your job, promote that product at your job, make your employees be your first customers, so then when you start making money off them, then you can quit, then you start branching out, because people see the grind and the effort, like, oh man, I remember he was working at McDonald's, he was selling stuff out of McDonald's or Culver's or Burger King or Taco Bell or Walmart. Then the respect to be there. Because like I said, I slept in a car for 8 months. I didn't wake up in a mansion or nothing like that. I grinded my way up to the top. And I'm not still out at the top. I'm not where I want to be. I'll probably never be where I want to be. Why? Because I got a hustler's mentality. There's always room for improvement. There's always room for more. And if I know that, how can I ever have what I want? Because there's always more. There's always more money to be made. There's always more knowledge to learn. There's always more homes to buy. There's always more land to buy. There's always more businesses to invest in. So how can I ever be done? How can I ever get to a point where I'm satisfied? Which is perfectly fine with me, because that's only going to encourage me and motivate me to want to do more and do better and work harder and invest more into making it happen. And that's what I want you guys to do, the exact same thing and be the exact same way, so we all could be financially free and create generational wealth and learn credit and invest into businesses and into products and be entrepreneurs out here just like everybody else is. You never know. You might got the next idea, the next product, or the next invention that will change the world. You just got to get your credit together and get some money to invest in it. Shout out to all my real King Hustle fan supporters out there. Without y'all, would it be to me, y'all motivate me to keep going. Y'all motivate me to keep dropping the sauce. Y'all motivate me to keep y'all entertained. So shout out to y'all. Anybody out there that's ready to invest in themselves, y'all want to learn how to make this money. Y'all see this? It's $20,000 made in a couple of days just off knowing about how to do methods, knowing how to get credit cards, lines of credit, knowing how to do certain things, and people wanting to learn how to do it too, and me doing it myself. This is what that can do, and I'm here to show you how to do that. I'm here to show and help you learn how to make $20,000 a month, $30,000 a month, $50,000 a month. I'm here to show you and teach you how to do this. It's not hard. You can make $1,000 a day. That's $30,000 a month. You make $2,000 a day. That's $60,000 a month. It's not hard. If you got a product out here, or you got some type of knowledge out here that you charging $500 for, and you getting 4 to 8 people purchasing from you a day, that's $2,000, $1,000 right there. You just gotta give yourself more opportunity and windows to make money. So it's all about having multiple hustles, multiple things that you have to offer and provide that can make you money. And I'm here to show you and help you guys how to do that. So make sure y'all get y'all FaceTime one-on-one unlimited gems, $1,000, which in that lesson, you will get the 8 instant cash out methods, the 2 free live cards or linkables, the new age credit repair handbook. I will teach you how to make $1,000 a day. I will show you how to make $30,000 to $50,000 a month, all profit. Show you how to sit down in a chair just like this, handle business and make thousands of dollars. I'm gonna show you how to get loans, credit cards, lines of credit. I'm gonna show you the credit game. I'm gonna show you how to do these methods. I'm gonna show you how to become successful. I'm gonna show you how to work smarter and not harder. FaceTime one-on-one, $1,000. Once $1,000 on your cash or Bitcoin balance, send me a screenshot, let me know your payment ready, and we'll go from there. If you are not sending me that screenshot when you first contact me, I will not respond. Easy as that. And or you'll be blocked. So if you are watching this and you are following instructions, you're good to go. But there's a lot of people out there that is not following instructions. Please follow instructions, and it'll make my life and your life way easier, right? Also, make sure you book your seat right now in the crypto tour, $3,500 in-person limited gems. Houston, Texas, I will be until the end of August, and I'll be in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. So make sure you book your seat, $3,500, $500 deposit. The rest of the money will be in person. Also, still look for people for the production company. Still look for rappers, singers, models, producers, cameramen, or women. Let's turn up. Just sign up for a lot of major funding. Millions of dollars of funding. That means we all are going to eat. If you are on my production team, you are going to get paid. You are going to have fun. As long as you got a good head on your shoulders, as long as you're working hard, as long as you're motivated and dedicated to the hustle and the grind, I promise you, I will make sure you are in a position to make a decent amount of money and have fun, travel, and hopefully change your life. So make sure y'all tapping in. That sounds like you. DM me. Let's work. Let's have fun. Let's travel. Let's get this content out there. Also, make sure you go subscribe to the new YouTube channel, No Rags, Just Riches. Make sure you go subscribe to the music channel, King Hustle X1M or King Hustle Music on YouTube. Just dropped a new music video, new mixtape, new music. Go subscribe and hit the notification bell. Go like and comment, share, and run them views up. Because I promise you, my real fans, I got y'all. Y'all know I do giveaways. Y'all know I do all that stuff. And make sure you go subscribe and go follow me on IG, King Hustle X1M. Go run them followers up. I promise y'all, my real fans will. I'm taking care of all my people, fans, my people that's on my production company. I'm taking care of my people. You never know. I might send y'all. I got y'all. All right. So make sure y'all tapping in, and make sure y'all following and subscribing, man. Y'all know how I get down. I'm here to help y'all make this money, and I'll see you at the next video. Peace.